Welcome to this complete Krakow, Poland travel guide. Imagine finding yourself in a city where history, culture, and adventure blend seamlessly. From the grandeur of Wawel Castle and Cathedral to the vibrant Jewish quarter of Kazimierz. Delve into the past at Schindler's Factory Museum and Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial. Explore the Basilica salt mine, take a day trip to the Tatra Mountains, and cruise along the Vistula River. Without further ado, let's embark on our journey through the rich history and vibrant culture of Krakow. Our first stop is the magnificent Wawel Castle and Cathedral. Nestled on a hill overlooking the Vistula River, this historic castle is a symbol of national pride and a testament to Poland's rich heritage. It's a grand fusion of architectural styles reflecting the various epochs it has weathered since its construction in the 14th century. The castle has served as the royal residence for centuries, housing many of Poland's monarchs. Its walls whisper stories of power, intrigue, and artistic brilliance. Adjacent to the castle, the Wawel Cathedral stands as a beacon of religious significance. With its towering spires and ornate chapels, the cathedral is a stunning representation of Gothic architecture. Within these structures, a treasure trove of art, culture, and history awaits. From royal tombs to the legendary Dragon's Den, each corner is steeped in fascinating tales. And let's not forget the breathtaking panoramic views of Krakow from the castle's terraces. A visit to Krakow would not be complete without a stop at this legendary castle. Next, we head to the heart of the city, the main market square and St. Mary's Basilica. The main market square, a vibrant hub where life has pulsed for centuries, is a bustling blend of cafes, stalls, and street performers. Each corner of this square tells a different story. Every cobblestone has a tale to tell. Now let's turn our gaze to the sky, where the twin spires of St. Mary's Basilica reach out. This Gothic marvel, with its intricate facades and celestial blue ceiling, is a testament to the city's rich architectural heritage. Every hour, a trumpet call known as the Hejnal Mariaki echoes from the taller tower, a tradition dating back to the Middle Ages. It's a melody that punctuates the air, a timeless tune that connects the past with the present. The main market square and St. Mary's Basilica, they truly are an absolute feast for the senses. Now we venture into the historical Kazimierz, the Jewish quarter. This district, brimming with centuries of history, was once the center of Jewish life in Krakow for over 500 years. Before the devastation of World War II, Kazimierz thrived as a significant cultural and religious hub. Today, this area has been reborn as a bustling artistic hotspot. Its narrow, winding streets are filled with quirky boutiques, antique shops, and art galleries, all housed in beautifully restored buildings. The 7 synagogues here serve as a stark reminder of the district's Jewish heritage. The Old Synagogue in particular is a must-visit. Now a museum, it offers a deep dive into the history of Jews in Krakow. Don't miss out on the vibrant food scene here. From traditional Jewish bakeries to modern Polish eateries, the culinary delights are endless. As we leave Kazimierz, we're not just stepping out of a neighborhood, but a living, breathing chronicle of Krakow's past. A poignant reminder of the city's rich history. Our journey takes us next to Schindler's Factory Museum. Nestled in the heart of Krakow, this site is a stark reminder of the city's darker past. The museum stands as a symbol of hope, resilience, and humanity amidst the horrors of World War II. Originally a metal item factory, it was commandeered by Oskar Schindler, a member of the Nazi Party who turned the tide by employing Jews and saving them from the Holocaust. Today, the museum showcases a vivid and poignant chronicle of life under Nazi occupation. Within its walls, visitors are ushered through the maze of history, unraveling stories of despair, survival, and liberation. The museum's exhibits offer a glimpse into the lives of Krakow's Jewish community during the war, from personal belongings to haunting photographs and testimonies. Schindler's Factory Museum is more than just a museum. It's a journey through time, a testament to the human spirit's resilience. A somber but essential visit on our Krakow journey. Prepare to be amazed as we descend into the Basilica salt mine. Nestled just a stone's throw from Krakow, this subterranean marvel dates back to the 13th century. For hundreds of years, miners worked tirelessly, extracting white gold and shaping the mine's intricate passages and chambers. But the Basilica salt mine isn't just about salt. Oh no, it's a veritable underground city. Carved from salt, you'll find chapels with chandeliers and sculptures that glisten under the light, and vast caverns that echo with history. There's even a health resort where you can breathe in the therapeutic air. The piece de resistance has to be the stunning Chapel of St. Kinga. Imagine a cathedral complete with altarpieces and frescoes, all made from salt. It's an awe-inspiring testament to the miner's skill and devotion. So whether you're a history buff, a lover of unique architecture, or simply someone who appreciates the extraordinary, the Wieliczka salt mine is a must-see, a truly breathtaking underground wonder. Our next stop is the haunting Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum. Just west of Krakow lies a place of profound gravity and historical significance, the Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum. This is not a typical tourist destination, but a somber journey into the heart of human history. It's the site where over 1 million innocent lives were extinguished in the horrific blaze of the Holocaust. As you walk through the iron gates bearing the chilling inscription, Arbeit macht frei, work sets you free, you're stepping into a world that echoes with the stories of those who suffered here. The museum offers a stark look at the brutal realities of the concentration and extermination camps of World War II. It's a place of reflection, remembrance, and education where personal artifacts, photographs, and testimonies bear silent witness to the atrocities committed. Visiting Auschwitz-Birkenau is a deeply moving experience. It's a stark reminder of the depths of human cruelty, but also of our capacity for resilience, courage, and hope. A sobering reminder of our past. We now journey beneath the city to the Rynek Underground Museum. A subterranean wonder, this museum lies 4 meters under Krakow's main market square. It's here that we delve into the city's enthralling past, walking on medieval pathways that echo with history. The Rynek Underground Museum is an archaeologist's dream. Its exhibits stretch back over 1,000 years with preserved artifacts that tell a captivating tale. From ancient burial sites to the remnants of old trade routes, each display offers a unique snapshot of Krakow's rich history. But it's not just for history buffs. The museum is home to state-of-the-art holograms and interactive displays, bringing the past to life in a manner that's engaging for all. It's a journey through time right beneath your feet. And why visit? Well, where else can you walk the same paths as medieval merchants, explore ancient artifacts, and experience cutting-edge technology all in one place? It's a fascinating glimpse into Krakow's past. Time to relax and enjoy the scenery at Planty Park and Barbican. Planty Park, a verdant ribbon encircling Krakow's old town, is your perfect retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Once the site of the city's defensive walls, it's been transformed into a serene sanctuary boasting over 21 hectares of lush greenery. Picture strolling through leafy walkways, past fountains, sculptures, and flower beds. It's like a greatest hits album of nature, with each season offering a different tune. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the Barbican, a Gothic-style fortress that's one of the few remaining relics of the complex network of fortifications and defensive barriers that once encircled the city. This circular bastion, with its 3-meter-thick walls, has stood guard over Krakow since the late 15th century, a silent witness to the city's rich history. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone who appreciates a good stroll, Planty Park and Barbican offer a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Now, let's escape the city for a day trip to the Tatra Mountains in Zakopane. The Tatra Mountains, a natural border between Poland and Slovakia, offer an exhilarating blend of pristine landscapes, rugged peaks, and crystal-clear mountain lakes. It's the perfect place to take a deep breath and immerse yourself in nature's grandeur. And nestled at the foot of these majestic mountains is Zakopane, a charming town known as the winter capital of Poland. It's a haven for hikers, skiers, and anyone with an appreciation for captivating mountain vistas. Here, you can explore the bustling Krupulki street lined with quaint shops and eateries serving local delicacies. Don't miss out on the oskipek, a traditional smoked cheese made from sheep's milk. For a touch of local culture, visit the old wooden villas and the unique Tatra Museum. The journey to the Tatra Mountains in Zakopane, whether by bus or car, is as scenic as it is rewarding. It's an adventure you won't forget. Our journey ends with a serene cruise along the Vistula River. Picture this, you're gliding along the longest river in Poland, the Vistula. Not only is it the country's lifeline, but it also holds a significant place in the hearts of Poles, with countless tales, songs, and poems inspired by its charm. The Vistula River cruise offers a unique perspective of Krakow. From the boat, you'll see an array of landmarks, including the historic Wawel Castle, the Kazimierz district, and the stunning Tatra Mountains in the distance. It's a relaxing way to soak in the city's beauty, away from the hustle and bustle. As the sun begins to set, the city lights shimmer on the water's surface, creating an enchanting spectacle. You're likely to find yourself lost in thought, reflecting on your Krakow adventure. The cruise is more than just a sightseeing tour. It's a moment of tranquility and reflection, a perfect ending to our Krakow adventure. And that concludes our Krakow travel guide. We've wandered through the haunting halls of Auschwitz-Birkenau, marveled at the masterpieces in Wawel Castle, and savored the tranquil moments along the Vistula River. We've traversed the depths of the Basilica salt mine and soaked in the stunning views of the Tatra Mountains. Krakow, with its rich tapestry of history and culture, is a city that promises a unique adventure at every turn. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, safe travels.